And the Bharatiya Janata Party in all likelihood will release its first list of candidates for the first two phases of the elections today. The BJP Central Election Committee has almost finalized its candidates for the northeastern states Bihar, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The party's CEC is likely to announce the list of candidates today. And meanwhile, announcement of candidates for the Lok Sabha seats in Assam is also likely to be made in New Delhi today. The BJP is slated to contest in 10 out of the 14 Lok Sabha seats in Assam. While decision on the candidates for 7 seats has almost been reached upon, the candidate for the Guwahati Lok Sabha seat is being deliberated once again. On the other hand, as per sources, the party is yet to make a decision on the 2 Lok Sabha seats of Tejpur and Nagaon.
পার্টি তালিকা আজি ঘোষণা কৰাৰ পূৰ্ণ সম্ভাৱনা আছে গতিকে হয়তো কিছু কন্টেক্ট পিছতে ঘোষণা কৰিব পাৰে বা সন্ধিয়া ভাগতো কৰিব পাৰে যি কি নহওক ইতিমধ্যে যেহেতু 8টাকৈ চূড়ান্ত হৈছে খালি স্বাক্ষৰ বাকি আছে বাকি দুটা সমষ্টি